Hey guys, what's up? So you can see I am make a topology. So I can now configure PBR. Okay. So you can see this is my topology. I can take three router and one router loopback. Okay. Total four routers and one switch and one PC. So first of all, I can PC assign. Go to click and go to console. Okay, then I can IP 192.168.1.1 our subnet mask and our default gateway. Okay, our default gateway 1.2. Okay, 1.2. Then enter. So I check now. Show IP. You can see our IP and mask default gateway is totally configured successfully. Okay, so now I can go router 1. Okay, first of all we can assign this IP first ethernet 1 by 0 this IP. Okay, and first ethernet 1 by 1 this IP and 1 by 0 this IP. You can first of all configure this router IP configuration. Okay, then you can router OSPF. Okay, so I can see router OSPF configuration. Okay, so first of all we enable config terminal and router OSPF1 network 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.0. Okay, and 255.255.255.255 area 0. Sorry, 255.255.255.255 and area 0. Okay, then exit now. This same configuration we can more router. Okay, another others router this same configuration. Go to console and enable config terminal router OSPF 1 network 0.0.0.0.0.255.255.255.255 area 0. Then exit. Okay. Now we can go next router. Go to console and open CLI. So go enable config terminal router OSPF 1 network 0.0.0.0 255.255.255.255 area 0. Okay, and now exit. Then go to our next router and click console and open CLI. This is our last router because this is our loopback. Okay, enable config terminal router OSPF1 network 0.0.0.0.255.255.255.255 area 0. Okay, then one more time exit and interface loopback 0. Okay, and IP address 8.8.8.8 255.0.0.0. Okay, then no shutdown and exit. So now I can show IP in brief. Now I can check this. My IP configuration is totally successfully up and loopback 0 8.8.8. Okay, you can see loopback 0 8.8.8. So now I configure PBR. Okay, So first of all, we configure PBR in router 1. Go to router 1 console. Open CLI, okay? And we can now exit on Control Z. Enable config terminal. We can now start first time, okay? So we can write access list 10 permit, okay? 10 permit. This is our PC IP address we can assign, okay? 192.168.1.1, our key PC IP address. Then 0.0.0.2T55, okay? 255, then enter. Then we can now assign route map, okay? Route map PBR, route map PBR permit, okay? Route map PBR permit 10. When you assign standard 0 to 99, any number you can assign. When you are configuration standard, okay, not extended. So I can assign standard, so I can take a number 10, okay, then I enter, then match IP address, okay, match IP address 10. Why 10 I using? Because first line I can using 10, okay, so I using 10. Then you can set, okay, you can set IP next hop. Which road you choose that? I this is the road, okay. This road I choose that. This not. This is our road 192.168.10.2, okay. So our next hop 192.168.10.2, okay. Then enter. Then you can one time exit and interface. You can interface this interface, okay. First Ethernet 0/0. First Ethernet 0/0, and you can write IP policy, okay. IP policy route map. IP policy route map PBR, okay. Now exit and Control Z. So I can check show IP route. You can see our route is successfully, and now I can check show. Okay. Now I can check show IP policy. You can check and you can see that first that 0/0 PBR. Now we can success. So I can test trace route 8.8.8.8. You can see our PBR is successfully, okay. So in this video we can successful our PBR configuration in GNS3, okay. Thank you so much.